So, hello guys, this is Sanket B, aka Game Art Service, and today finally I am about to present you the entire building tree mechanism that is been developed fully and implemented. Thanks to the investors in Dante, whoever has invested and paid me to develop this video game. Right now, at this stage, the entire game project at the middle is somewhere. It's a huge project, but whatever we have developed yet inside the building tree mechanism, it's something really very huge. In fact, it's actually the entire major part of the video game. So, what we are about to explore and I'm about to explain today in this video, it's about the building tree mechanism. Let's explore it in detail. So even with having some of the gifts for the beginning play as a tasting, for a temporary purpose, I have implemented some of the database that gives you 3000 of a megawatts here and 3000 of a raw FCM here. Now previously I have explained in the video that you have to use refinery building to refine from raw to common, common to rare, and rare to pure. So this kind of process to have the final FCM, which leads you to have making money from the FCM. And this is something about pay to earn game. It's a crypto game. So let's check it out. What is the in fact the new updates about GUI, new more buildings, and the other stuff like the game mechanisms. Let's just check it out in detail. So let's just click on a build button, and I'm about to drag and drop the headquarter here somewhere. And let's wait because we cannot do anything else. We cannot drop and drop anything now. It's offered us the professional gameplay strategic approach. So now with this build, I have updated the few more titles like in the GUI, the what buildings the type of, and this is actually what you're looking at. It's a button, so you click on that, and very easily it navigates to its own panel of that building. So for the example, let's say I'm about to enable this, and the building is about to consume the power from 24 hours. It will keep consuming, right? Now there you see that there's new one more button over here. It's advanced. So for the example, like if you click over here, and we see that what does this building do actually. So it generates a megawatts, and per second it generates few points. Overall in a day it generates 2000 megawatts. So this is the initial process of this headquarters to do this process by default. So you can, it's a side process. If you close that, doesn't mean it stops. It's now we have implemented the final state machine, which is called FSM, and which means basically every building has its own state to keep running at. So for example, if I click again here, and if I go I'm resuming those new tasks, and from it's been progressed. I mean, you can see that here one of the megawatt got added in a few seconds. Even we can see that live right now that it goes to here the full bar, and it resets back to 0, and it adds 1 here, the megawatts. So this is how it generates, and every other common process just keep happening in this game. So for every other building also. So I just go and build mining, and about to drop a mine over here, which means the excavator, which mines out the raw apsium. And let's wait. Okay, so now we click on here, and we enable this excavator, and we click on advanced, and we see that this is the excavator farming process. It started the farming. So it's like it takes 38 seconds, and this is the counting. It's values, like it's progressing. Once it reaches to the here, it will generate, it will farm one raw apsium, which will add it over here you can see that it's now right now 2800, and we will see that it's just about at one. See, 2801. So it just kept happening into even with these. If you check it out even in advance, and things are just happening its own process. So let's now build another building, and now you can see it's only storage building to left to build. It's because it's a process of this RTS game that you build new buildings, upgrade the headquarters, you unlock more levels of the buildings, more types of buildings. So things gonna happen, keep happening. So let's just go with the storage, what it does, enable it, and we just look at that. It shows that um, quickly detects that okay, we have 2,797, which means over here the raw apsium out of 10,000 capacity, and it's about this much like filled. So once it got completely filled, what happens? The mining will stop automatically because there is no space to collect, right? So it's been rigged and it's been programmed like that. So you just play it and explode it, and once you see that there is no building anymore, you definitely check out the building, each building panel here, because sometimes what happens when you progress something, you gotta actually explore the gameplay by doing this. Like you open up the panel and you see suddenly that a new button appear like upgrade over here. First, in the first it wasn't here. It automatically enables when you reach to the certain progress, right? So when you click on upgrade, and you see that building is now upgrading mode, and just like recently I've said that now we have final state machine. So even if I close it, every building has its own states, and I come back, the states resumes from to continue to that, and it's updating right now. So we are looking at over here building panel, and we do not have anything to build anymore. But if you look at over here, and just it's about to be reached, and now we see that the building has level 2, and if we now it's go, we have more buildings to build. Cool, right? So you guys do one thing, you guys build the refinery, mining, one more excavator, build the solar panel, and every building does different things. Every building has a different story to do and operate. So it's kind of amazing gameplay. Yet there is level 7 of the headquarters being designed till that progress, but it's a long road, guys. You play it and you experience it. It takes time, and even with these gifts at the beginning stage of the trial, I'm telling you, as even if it's a temporary, but even with that, it's strategically very difficult to manage and everything, resources and build things. So for that, let's wait for the build I'm about to share with my investors, and if those investors allow you to play those builds, you might be lucky. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll keep updating your next updates. Thank you.